Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today we are going to explore the by Terry VIP Expert Palette Paris. And I will say the packaging on this, oh, it's beautiful. Here, let me get you in. It is just stunning. And then the reliefs on the eyeshadows are gorgeous. Even here, I've been using this now for a couple of weeks off and on, and you can still see some of those in there. So it's a beautiful palette. It goes on sale frequently on the By Terry website. And it is the first eyeshadow palette that I've gotten from By Terry. It's a relatively new brand to me. I did do that one video on the face products, and I will link that at the end of this one if you happen to miss that one. But let's start like we do with all eyeshadow palettes. We're going to swatch these. There are 10 pans in this palette, and there are 2 mattes, and the rest have some shimmer, some a little bit less than others. So let's just start with the mattes and to the other ones. So you can see, right, and first of all, they swatch beautifully. Look at that color payout. That's what I have been finding. These have been very easy to work with. They're lovely. It's good color payout. And you can really do a wide variety of looks out of this palette. One of the trends this fall in makeup is berries, and there are certainly shades in here that will let you do that, but you can also just do a really neutral look. Like I said, I've really been enjoying this palette. So let's swatch some more of the shades. So there are the dark cranberry, the light pink, and then 2 of the other shimmers in a kind of medium brown and then a light shade. And that leaves 2 more colors in the palette. A very bright highlight and a darker shimmery brown. So let's go in with this shade here, and I'm going to do that in my crease. A MAC 221, just picking that up, and this is one of those shades where it looks much darker in the pan than it does on, and I'm just going to start a little bit above my brow bone there and build that color in. I do like that you can do just a light wash of color or pick up some more. They're very buildable. Darken it up. I'm darkening up the outside here a bit, and I'm just bringing it down to the lash line. Now I want to use this cranberry color to pick up a little more color in my look, and I have this Rephr 03, which is actually a very small brush because I want very precise placement with this, and I am going on the outer part of my lid. And it's the same motion that I was using before with that little bit bigger crease brush, but as you can see, it's much more precise placement on where I have put that color. And this is what it looks like from the front. I'm going to take my finger and go into this shade and place that on the inner 2/3 of my lid. I'm going to pick up a little bit more. I like using my finger for this. The oils on my finger just help the shimmer really go down. That is so pretty. I'm going to switch fingers and go into that light pink and pop that right in the center. Next, I'm going to take a big fluffy blending brush and just smooth that red cranberry shade in now around what I just put down. And it is such a pretty color, so beautiful. I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is from Morphe. And I am going to pick up that darker brown and go underneath my lower lashes. And I'm also going to do that just above my upper lashes, right at the outer corner. My eyes are blue-green, and sometimes shadows make them look more blue, but this is really making my green eyes pop. I am loving that. I am going back in with that cranberry color because I think it's such a beautiful color, and I am going to go over that brown that I just put down. I didn't want it to be super bright, but I did just want to bring a little bit of that hue in. And so you can see where I do it over the brown, it's a little more muted than when it's on its own. Here is another Rephr 03, and I'm going to go into this highlight color out here with the Arc de Triomphe on it and use that for brow highlight. It is very subtle. And I'm just going to take a little bit here on the inner corner for a little bit of brightness. Time for mascara. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills, what mascara is this? The Lash Brag. Oh my gosh, I used this in a Get Ready With Me a couple weeks ago, and I've been using it ever since. I am absolutely in love with this mascara. Great length, great volume, beautiful lashes. So, there you go. That is the By Terry Paris palette. And like I said, on social media, I find that frequently they're having a 25% off sale on their website. So if you're curious, it's a palette you want to try out for fall, I think it's perfect. Do the YouTube things, subscribe, like, and most importantly, have a fantastic day.